Welcome to Technically Explained. In this video, we are going to learn how to add animation to the bullets in PowerPoint presentation. Animation gives an aesthetic look to your PowerPoint presentation. It beautifies your PowerPoint presentation. It basically gives an extra flavor to your presentation and makes it more interesting. So let me start a blank presentation and let me add a new slide. So now we have a new slide. For example, we have a title of this slide here, title of the slide, and then we have points in bullet form. For example, I have the first point, the second point, the third point, and the fourth point. Now, as you can have a look, this slide looks very simple, dull, and boring. To make it more interesting, we need to add an animation. First of all, I need to go here to the top and click on animation. When I click on animation, I need to add this animation pane. When I click on this animation pane, my animation pane is going to appear here. Just to have a better view of this presentation, so it is easy to view. Now to add an animation, I simply click on here, and as you can have a look, in animations I have different types of animation appear over here. For example, appear, fade, fly in, float in, etc. You can choose any of these animations, but let us choose wipe. For example, when I choose wipe, this wipe animation appears to all my points. Now I can see it in the slideshow. For example, when I go to the slideshow, I press the down key, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, and that's it. So we have added animation, but if we can have a look, that the animation that I have added here, the points appear from bottom to top, the text appear from bottom to top. As you can have a look, I can always change this from the effect options here. By default, it is the arrow is upward, which means the text is going to appear from bottom to top. What I will do, that I will make it from left to right, so that it gives a better view. As you can have a look, now the text is appearing from left to right. If you have bullet sentences that is a bit detailed, then this left to right effect is more presentable and is better. Now we have added this effect. What we want now is that when I go to the first point, after pressing the down key and going to the second point, I want the first point to be dim. To do that, I need to come here, right here at the content. I need to click on this option. When I click on this option, I will scroll down and come to the effect options. As soon as I click on effect options, this type of window is going to appear, as you can have a look. Now if we can have a look, we have this this point which says after animation don't dim. So what I will do is that I will go on and click here, and to change the font color of the animation, after animation I can change this font color. For example, I want this font color to appear after the animation, so I'm going to click on here and I'm going to click OK here. Now when I click on the slideshow, as you can have a look, first point has appeared. When I go to the second point, the first point has dim out, and the color of this dim point is the color that I selected few seconds ago, which was this color. And similarly, when I go to the third point, the first 2 points has dimmed out, and when I go to the fourth point, the first 3 points has dimmed out, and that's it. So that's how we can add animation to the PowerPoint bullets in PowerPoint presentation. I have other options also. I can change the start option, the duration option, and the delay option, and I can also have other animations like split, float in, fly in, depending upon which animation do you want. So that's how we can add animation to PowerPoint, and it adds an aesthetic view to your presentation. That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained.